Hello and welcome to this video tutorial on how to create a new user. I'm going to show you how to create a new user. This is one of the very first steps to be followed when you set up a new org. Click on Setup here. Under the Administrator panel, click on Manage Users. This is where you can see all the users who are using this org. The users that you see here currently are the sample ones created by us to give you an idea of how our org functions in real time. To create a new user, click on the button New User. This takes you to the page where you create a new user. To successfully create a new user, you have to fill in all the fields that are marked in red. These are the mandatory field values that have to be entered. Enter the first and the last names. The alias value gets filled in automatically based on the first and last names. Enter the email address for that user. Next, enter the username for that user. This may be the same as the email address previously entered or anything different. However, the username has to be in the form of an email address. The nickname gets auto-populated based on first and last names. You can give your own nickname too if you like. This appears in the Chatter chat representing the user. You will know more about Chatter in just a few minutes. Select the user license from the drop-down menu here based on the need of the application. If you want the user to have full access to this org, then select the option Salesforce. Select from the profile drop-down menu options the role that you want to assign to the user. For example, the system administrator has all rights to the org like read, write, edit, and delete rights. Then fill in the other fields too, but these are not mandatory. Click on the Save a New button to save this user and to create a new one. Or you can just click on the Save button to only save this user. To reset the password for any user, click on the name. You can also make any user inactive. Click on the name of the user and then on the Edit option. Uncheck the active box to make the user inactive. You can transfer this user to a new user to use this account again. This new user's name can be viewed under Manage Users here. Or at any point of time, you can make the user active again by checking on the active box. However, this feature can be used only by a system administrator who has full rights to XenonRTM. There is an easier way to enter more than one user at a time simultaneously. This can be done by clicking on Add Multiple Users button. Here you can also view the number of available licenses for all types of licenses. Select the user license from the User License drop-down menu. Fill in all the necessary information and click on the Save button. Now I'll be telling you about the chatter feature of XenonRTM. Chatter features of XenonRTM. Chatter is a social networking site within your organization for the active users of XenonRTM. This is a place where you can post files, documents, like or comment on posts, newsfeed, or official documents. This is more or less like Facebook or Twitter, which helps you connect with the people in your organization and an easy way to know everything that happens around you or in the records that you're interested in. Chatter can be used for both professional and personal use within your organization.